Hi, hello, my name's Alexis, and today we're doing a palette bingo with the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. I got this when it was the weekly wow at Sephora, probably like a month ago by now, but I haven't used it yet, and I figure why not do a palette bingo with it instead of like a playtime, because I know me, and if we did a playtime I would use like these colors and that's it. So oh wow. Sorry, I got distracted. It really smells like peaches. So we're going to do a palette bingo. So the way I'm going to number them, I'm trying not to blind you, 1 to 4, 5 to, 8. I'm sure that was, self-explanatory, but I wanted to tell you anyways. Alright, I have a random number generator on my phone, and the first number it picked is 6, and that is this shade right here, which is Just Peachy. And remember, we're picking 5 colors. Okay, so next number is 7, that's easy. Peach Punch, which is this one. Alright, next, number 1, Peach Meringue. Next, number 9, that's Peaches and Cream down here. And then the last shade is number 10, which is Fresh Picked. A lot of light shades in this look. So we have these two, and this one. So like not a lot of depth going on. So I'm gonna put my base on and do my brows and prime my eyes, and then and get an idea of what I'm doing, and I will come back to you. Okay, I figured out what I'm gonna do. It's not groundbreaking. I was really saying groundbreaking. It's nothing groundbreaking or anything like that, but there's only so much I can do with these colors that I was given. So first I'm going to start out with Peaches and Cream down here as my transition shade. I can't believe I was saying, see, now I can't say it wrong. Jeez. Alright, so I'm just going to throw this in and above my crease. Nothing too fancy there. Just like that. Okay, next I'm going to take Just Peachy, which is this one, and put that in like the outer third and through the crease. So, like here. It's definitely like not any kind of deep or anything like that, but we'll make it work. And through the crease. Throw it in there. There we go. Just like that. And then I'm going to take Fresh Picked, which is this one, the deepest shade I kind of have going for me right now. And I'm going to put that in this outer corner, just kind of blend it in. Just to deepen up as much as I can. Just blend that in there. There we go. See? See the difference? It's a little darker. Hello? Yes? Okay. I got distracted. Sorry. Anyways, next I'm going to take Peach Punch, this one, and put that on my lid. I don't really know how this is going to look. I think I'm just going to turn this into like a red smoky eye, but alright. Yep, I just have a red smoky eye now. That's fine. I like it. And I'm also going to take that Peach Punch shade and put it on the lower lash line. Or maybe I shouldn't do that. I'm going to do it and see what happens. I'm just bringing that all the way across. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And then last thing, Peach Meringue, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone, not my eyebrow. Don't highlight your eyebrow. My brow bone and right in the inner corner. So here, ducky ducky, and right in here. Ducky ducky. I put a little bit too much in here. Hold on, fix it. Okay, there we go. So here's the eyeshadow done. It's fine. I feel like it's just a softer version of what I would have done with it anyways. I just want a little bit of like depth or something. But, my light's changing. So anyways, I'm going to finish off this look. I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara, and put black liner, my tight line, and my waterline, and then I'll be back with you. So here are the eyes done. Still pretty, but I still want more. This is what happens with palette bingo. So let's finish off the face. Contouring with my Kevyn Aucoin powder, as usual. Bronzing with Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Just add some color back to my skin because I am looking a little pale. For blush, I'm just going to do Mood Exposure from Hourglass because there's a lot of red going on here, so I don't want anything too red or too pink or anything like that. So I'm going to use my good old trusty Nothing blush and just pop this on. For highlight, I'm going to use the Killawatt highlighter from Fenty. This is Mean Money and Hustler Baby. I'm just going to use the Hustler Baby side. So cheekbone, up and around the brow, and that C shape that I like. Down the nose. And I'm going to pile it on my Cupid's bow. What am I going to do for lip? Okay, I think I'm going to do this. This is a Chai from Bite. So here's the finished look. I do like how it turned out. I just want it darker. But it's not my decision with palette bingo. But it is really nice. As far as like the quality of the palette goes, the shadows were fine. This red one, I had to build up this one here. The Peach Punch, I had to build up a little bit. But that's fine. I wouldn't want like a red or orange shadow to just be like all at once. So that's fine. I do have a little bit of kick up. Like the tiniest bit of kick up, but that doesn't bother me at all whatsoever. This palette's also very like weighty, and I'm pretty sure the magnet is so strong that like it's holding on to everything. Like look at that. Maybe not that strong, but you get the point. So anyways, I do like the palette. I'll have to play with it some more because it is really pretty. And yes, that's that. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.